Hi friends, this video shows how to permanently remove this Bluetooth earbuds from this Samsung phone. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap here. Tap on connections. Then tap on this Bluetooth label. Tap here. Here you can see I already connected this OnePlus Buds 4 to this Samsung phone. See the status connected for calls and audio. 100% battery remaining. Tap on the settings icon. Tap here. And here you can see unpair. Using this unpair option, you can permanently remove this OnePlus Buds 4 from this Samsung phone. Let me remove. Tap on unpair. Tap on unpair. Done. So this way we can permanently remove Bluetooth device from Samsung phone. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.